Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made these vegan cake sandwiches, or vegan whoopie pies as they call it. It's really giving like vegan Little Debbie, vegan hostess vibes, even like an elevated ding dong or like a ho-ho. Honestly, it's just the perfect little snack treat for you. If you're interested in seeing how I made this, go ahead and stay tuned. We are going to be using box cake mix. This is going to be a super easy recipe from start to finish. Go ahead and find your favorite chocolate box cake that doesn't have any dairy or eggs in it. We're going to use that, and we are going to be using a half a cup of vegetable oil as well. We're going to put that right in there and come in with some vegan egg. So we're using just eggs today, and we're using about 3 eggs worth, which 1 egg is about 3 tablespoons. So we're just going to times that by 3 and get that in there. And then we are going to also add in a cup of water as well. And that's going to be room temperature water. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix this up. Super easy. Just mix it right up in this one bowl. And like I said, we're going like vegan Little Debbie vibes. I was a Little Debbie girl, little chunky self, eating up all of the cakes, all the ho-hos, all of the Twinkies. So this is giving me like all the nostalgic vibes, like definitely a throwback to my childhood, and it's just super good. So just go ahead and mix that together until it's nice and smooth and there are no lumps and no bumps in that bowl, okay? Okay, and once you get that smooth, we are going to go ahead and put this on a cookie baking sheet, and we're just going to scoop it out like cookies and let them bake individually. And so you need 2 per sandwich. And I am scooping these out in 1 tablespoon sizes. And then make sure you do have your oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we're just going to pop those in and bake them for 7 to 8 minutes. And this is what they come out like. And while we allow those to cool completely, we are going to go ahead and work on our filling. I'm doing a vegan buttercream filling today. I'm using 2 sticks of vegan butter and powdered sugar to taste. I would say maybe 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar. Just go ahead and add in 1 cup at a time after you smooth out your butter. So just go ahead and use a hand mixer or a standing mixer to smooth out and cream your butter. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time. So go ahead and add in 1 cup at a time, put in 2 cups, taste and adjust, add a little more to your liking. I'll put my specific measurements down in the description box below, or I will link it over to my website so you guys can see my buttercream mixture. I have a couple videos on my channel where I make vegan buttercream. And I'm using the vegan country crock plant butter to make these. And again, just add in a little powdered sugar at a time until it gets to your desired sweetness. Then I come in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla, or just a generous splash. And I add in a generous splash of vanilla almond milk. I would say just under 1/8 a cup of the almond milk. And just go ahead and blend that together until it's nice and smooth and it reaches your desired consistency. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pipe this right onto our chocolate cakes here. And then just top them, and that's it. Super easy from start to finish, and just a super good and nostalgic treat. Something fun for you to do. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Go ahead and pop the tops on. I do like to keep these in the fridge, but you can keep them out as well. And go ahead and enjoy. If you guys enjoy this content, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. And thank you so much for watching.